In this video, I'll show you how to set up recurring billing in Housecall Pro and give you all the key information to make it simple and effective. If you're new to Housecall Pro, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to automate your billing and save time. First things first, Housecall Pro is an all-in-one software designed to help businesses streamline their operations, and recurring billing is a game changer. This feature helps you set up automatic payments for your clients so you don't have to chase them down every month. It's ideal for businesses with regular service schedules like cleaning, maintenance, or landscaping. To set up recurring billing, head to the Customer tab in your Housecall Pro dashboard. From there, select the client you want to set up recurring billing for. You'll notice an option that says Recurring Service. Click that, and you're on your way to simplifying your billing process. Once you're in the Recurring Service section, you'll see a button labeled Create Recurring Job. Click on that. This will open a window where you can fill in all the details of the service you'll be providing regularly. You can choose the service type, the frequency, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and the price. This is where you can also add any discounts or specific terms related to the service. Now, here's where Housecall Pro really shines. You can set up automatic payments to be billed directly to your client's card or through other payment methods you've linked to Housecall Pro. To do this, ensure you've already integrated your payment processor with Housecall Pro. If you haven't done this yet, you can easily link your preferred payment method under the Settings menu. After setting up the payment details, confirm the schedule for the billing to ensure it matches your business needs. This is the part that really saves time. Instead of sending invoices every month, your clients will be automatically charged based on the recurring schedule you've set up. Once everything is good to go, click Save, and you're done. Your client's recurring billing is now set up, and you can focus on running your business instead of dealing with payments every month. I know the idea of automating payments might seem complicated, but once you're in Housecall Pro, it's intuitive and will save you hours in the long run. Plus, the great thing about recurring billing is that it helps build a predictable cash flow for your business. You'll never have to worry about missed payments again. By the way, if you want to try Housecall Pro for yourself, you can get access to the software completely free through the first link below, and I've also got some exclusive bonuses for you. That's right, a full trial to test all the features, including recurring billing. To sum it up, setting up recurring billing in Housecall Pro is quick, simple, and incredibly useful for businesses with regular clients. It's a key feature that will streamline your processes and help you grow your business faster. Before I wrap up, don't forget to check out the link below to get your exclusive extended free trial to Housecall Pro and take full advantage of their automated tools, including recurring billing.